There is a world not of deep seas or deep water lakes, but of shallow mountain streams, moving swiftly as they've done for eons. Gone is the noise from above, and shadows flow with ease across the rocks. The cold water flows swiftly over and under the logs. The grit gets tossed around like tiny starlit particles drifting through space. Everything flows in a continuous rhythm like poetry in motion. The bubbles dance in mesmerizing chaos. Mountain streams have always seemed special to me. This little stream has been flowing for thousands of years. It has likely been flowing non-stop since the last ice age. How many bison have drunk from these waters, or bears, or elk? I wade in the swift water, and my legs turn numb. The water is cold, and the current pushes me around. I'm not young. I'm 71, and I'd rather not tumble. It's September, and the air is cold. I survived the adventure, but it takes quite some time to thaw out. Although this was my first attempt at filming underwater in a swift stream, I found it to be a fun experience. It had its challenges, but I hope to pursue it and improve in the future. If you like my short films, please hit like and subscribe. It really helps.